Hello, Bernhard. We are Superhero Factory. This video we take especially for your reference how we make sewing for the superhero cape in our workshop. Now we are making overlocking sewing for the whole of the superhero cape. At the moment, we have another order from USA. The superhero size is 70 by 90 centimeters. We make overlocking for whole around of the cape. After this step, we'll add the velcro on the front. Now let me show you. Please check our sewing machine. It's very clean before overlocking. Here is the overlocking, finished overlocking. Here we make the cross, the thread here. This one, this one, this one, and another one. This side. Before package, we will cut out of the extra thread from the superhero cape. Look at our overlocking arts crafts. It's very nice. Okay, thank you. Hope this time you will choose us as your new factory for superhero cape.